I thought I was just gonna say it, and then it turned out it was gonna act like that. Sorry about that. Let me set up for the birds. I heard that. I don't know why it does that. Am I the only person too? It could be. It's crazy. Yeah, bring it back out. Maybe I'll do this. Right there. Can I get it right there? Hey, cat. All right. Yeah, come on in. She won't leave me alone, inside or out now. Well, I don't see any birds down there, so maybe I'll just leave it out here like this for now. Oh, yeah. We made it on the ship. It's not that strong, but it's something. And it's drink. You can make it tasty too. Add something to it. Sounds awesome, bad nurse. Arr. It's like, yeah, a thing you do on ships or other places if you can't get access to alcohol that quickly. Yeah. Or just in the old days, they would make applejack, like they would make moonshine or any other kind of wine and beer people made. That's cool. Oh no, it'll go bad on you too, because it's just fruit. Yeah, right. Ah, that'll turn you off too. You don't want to go through. I hear you. Oh, what? Don't mess with my phone, cat.